Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalogok swagatom janaisu. So let's start. First ki ase? So central government has recognized Assam Medical College and Hospital Dibrugarh as a center of excellence for rare diseases. So AMCH ki paise? Etu status paise as a center of excellence for rare diseases under the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া এটো স্টেটাস পোৱা পিছত AMCH কি হৈছে is now among only 15 such institutions in India and the first from Assam and Northeast to receive this status. এতিয়া অসম বা নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ পৰা AMCH প্ৰথমখন হয় যোনে এটো স্টেটাস লাভ কৰিছে সেন্টাৰ অফ এক্সেলেন্স ফৰ ৰেয়াৰ ডিজিজেস আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ভিতৰত 15 খনে এই স্টেটাসটো লাভ কৰিছে তাৰে মাজত এতিয়া AMCHও আছে ঠিক আছে This recognition will enable AMCH to focus on genetic diagnosis, patient identification, multidisciplinary treatment, and community outreach. It will also receive central funding for infrastructure and advanced research, providing a hope for thousands of patients with rare and complex disorders across the region. ঠিক আছে এতিয়া central funding পাব for infrastructure and advanced research. ঠিক আছে so here related এটা MCQ চাও Okay, consider the following statements regarding Assam Medical College and Hospital. So here are 4 statements about Assam Medical College and Hospital being recognized as a center of excellence for rare diseases. So, AMCH is the first medical institution from Assam and the northeastern region to be designated as a center of excellence under the National Policy of Rare Diseases 2021. So, Assam ba northeaster pora AMCH কি হৈছে প্ৰথমখন হৈছে যোনে এটো স্টেটাস লাভ কৰিছে of Center of Excellence for Rare Diseases. ঠিক আছে So statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise? It is among only 15 institutions in India selected for recognition by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So India ভিতৰত অসমৰ বা নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ ভিতৰত প্ৰথম আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ভিতৰত কি 15 খনৰ ভিতৰত পৰে So statement 2 is correct. ঠিক আছে 15 institutioner ভিতৰত পৰে So 2 to correct হয় 3 to কি কৈছে the recognition provides for government funding to strengthen infrastructure genetic diagnosis and research on rare diseases এই recognition কি কৰিব provides for government funding central funding pabo to strengthen infrastructure bhal koribo karne genetic diagnosis aru research on rare disease or karne center fund koribo thik ase so statement 3 is also correct 4 to ki koise the designation was granted under the National Health Mission It was not granted under National Health Mission. National Health Mission no under one asle kihakar under korise National Policy of Rare Diseases 2021. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer. ঠিক আছে? Next. On 28 August 2025, Assam remembered supreme sacrifice of Tilak Deka. So a young revolutionary from Morrigaon district who laid down his life during Quit India movement in 1942. So, teo nije teo shohid hoisile during Quit India movement 1942 aru teor sacrifice aru teo monot pelaise on 28 August 2025 ঠিক আছে Tilak Deka blew his horn pepa at midnight to alert villagers for advancing British troops. So, British troop ahise buli janoni dibo karone teo horn enege pepa bojai pelai villagers khinik janoni disile despite threats jodiu teor uporot bahut mane like it is dangerous, it was dangerous for him still teo eneke villagers khini ki korisile janoni disile pepa bojai thik ase refusing to surrender koribole refuse kori teo koisile you do your job, I will do my duty, apunaluke apnalukor kaam korok aru apunaluke apnalukor kaam korok aru moi mur kortobyo korim thik ase etu statement teo declare korisile before being gunned down by British soldiers, before being killed by the British soldiers. ঠিক আছে? He became a symbol of courage, inspiring many Assam's freedom struggle. So, তেওঁৰ sacrifice to এটা symbol হৈ role of courage and আৰু বহুত অসমীয়া freedom struggle আৰু অসমৰ freedom struggle বহুত inspire কৰিলে ঠিক আছে his legacy continues through memorials, annual observation and institutions named in his honor ঠিক আছে so ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ চাম With reference to Tilak Deka, consider the following statements. Teo bikhoye amak sarita statement dise ami kongita correct hoy sabo lage. He was martyred during the non-cooperation movement of 1921. This is not correct. Teo quit India movement. So the Quit India movement, he was martyred, not non-cooperation movement. So statement 1 to correct nohoy. 2 to ki koise? Tilak Deka was a freedom fighter from Morigao district of Assam who actively participated in the Quit India movement of 1942. Teo ejon freedom fighter asile, kor asile, Morigao district or asile, aru teo Quit India movement not actively participate korisile. Thik ase? So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise, he is remembered for blowing a pepa, traditional horn, to alert villagers about the approach of British soldiers, leading to his martyrdom. So, teo pepa bojai pelai villagers khinik hojak kori disile, alert kori disile, hoy nai jar karone teo pisot nijor pran heroabo loga hol. So statement 3 is correct. 4 to ki koise, Shahid Stambho and a bust have been erected at his burial site in honor of his sacrifice. So 4 is also correct. 2, 3 and 4 only will be the correct answer. That is option C. So তেওঁৰ বিষয়ে যোনটো ইয়াত আৰ্টিকল দিয়া আছে এটো পঢ়িবা ভালকে তোমালোকে নিজেও Okay, next, on August 26, 2025, SpaceX conducted 10 test flight of its Starship mega rocket from Starbase in Texas. So, 26th August 2025 was SpaceX 10th test flight conduct korile of its Starship mega rocket. Starship mega rocket from Starbase in Texas. For the first time, the vehicle successfully deployed 8 dummy Starlink Mars simulator satellites, a major milestone in SpaceX effort towards reusable space flight and satellite deployment infrastructure. After completing its suborbital trajectory, Starship executed controlled splashdown in the Indian Ocean while Super Heavy booster safely landed in the Gulf of Mexico. This marked a significant turn around after several prior test failures. ঠিক আছে? So here related at MCQ song. SpaceX 10 satellite flight of Starship August 2025 is notable because it successfully deployed 8 dummy satellite for the first time. For the first time, kyo etu 10 test flight of Starship is notable karon etue successfully 8 dummy satellite deploy korile for the very first time. So statement option B will be the correct answer. ঠিক আছে? Next, Durand Cup 2025. On August 27, 2025, President Draupadi Murmu facilitated Northeast Northeast United FC at Rashtrapati Bhavan for winning the Durand Cup 2025. So kune Durand Cup 2025 kune jikile ami last current affairs to etu saisilu Northeast United FC. ঠিক আছে the 144th edition of Asia's oldest football tournament sorry Northeast United FC defeated Diamond Harbour FC in the final at Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium. Kot asle Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium kat defeat korisile Harbour FC defeat korisile thik ase marking their first ever Durand Cup title in 25 years. Players also receive individual rewards including the golden ball and golden glove. Okay, the football club won which football club won the Durand Cup 2025 was facilitated by President Draupadi Murmu. So it was Northeast United, okay? So it beleg eta PDF for Harry ahi gol, thik ase? So that's not relevant. Next, Onam Festival. On 26 August to 2025, the Grand Athachamayam procession, jodi pronunciation to bhul hoise beya na baba, thik ase? Procession was held in Tripunithura near Kochi, Kerala, thik ase? Marking the beginning of 10-day Onam festival. So grand procession to juntu hoisile Kochi, Kerala, near Kochi, Kerala, 10-day Onam festival or beginning buli koise. The vibrant cultural parade featured music, dance, floats and 59 traditional art form thik ase, including Thiam, Kathakali, Pulikali, Kalari Payattu, tar pisot Margam Kali and Kolkali. ঠিক আছে, performance dressed as Mahabali and Bamana led the procession. ঠিক আছে, with over 50 groups including students and artists participating, 1,000 gathered to celebrate Kerala's most iconic festival. So Onam festival start hoise. It is a 10-day festival. So yat bahut yat cultural parade to juntu etu hoy grand procession to ki feature kora hoise music, dance, floats and 59 traditional art form including these. Okay, including these performance ke liye keneke dress kore as Mahabali and Bamana led the aru procession to led kore, thik ase? Over 50 groups including students and artists participating. 50 so basi groups participate korise including student aru artists, thik ase? 1,000 gathered to celebrate Kerala's most iconic festival. Here later at MCQs. The Athachamayam procession, which marks the beginning of Kerala's Onam festival, is traditionally held at Kot held hoise option C Tripunithurat held hoise etu dangor procession hoy jar june Onam festival or arambhoni kore, hoy na nohoy? Okay, SC Collegium, Supreme Court Collegium led by Chief Justice of India B.R. Gawai has recommended elevation of Justice Ashok Aradhe. Justice Alok Aradhe, Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, and Justice Vipul Manubhai Pancholi, Chief Justice of Patna High Court, and judges of Supreme Court of India. So, Justice Alok Aradhe and Justice Vipul Manubhai Pancholi ki kora hol promote kora hoise as the judges of the Supreme Court of India. Teolok agote ki asile Alok Aradhe asile Chief Justice of Bombay High Court aru Pancholi Justice Vipul Manubhai Pancholi asile Chief Justice of Patna High Court aru teolokok etia ki hole promote kora hol as Supreme Court judges hisabe promote kora hol aru kune kore etu promotion etu Supreme Court Collegium, য'ত Chief Justice of India থাকে plus 4 other top judges থাকে, ঠিক আছে? So with their appointment, the sanctioned strength of 34 judges in the apex court will be restored to full capacity, filling the two existing vacancy. যোনটো two existing vacancy আছে এতিয়া তেওঁলোকক appoint কৰাৰ পিছত হেতু fill হৈ 34 judges or strength হ'ব. So ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ কৰক. With reference to collegium system in the Indian judiciary, consider the following statement. The collegium system is responsible for appointment and transfer of judges in higher judiciary. This is correct. Collegium system is system to responsible hoy kihor karone appointment aru transfer of judges in the higher judiciary. Thik ase? The Supreme Court Collegium consists of CJI, that is Supreme Chief Justice of India, and 4 senior most judges of Supreme Court. So Supreme Court Collegium or kun thake, Chief Justice of India thake aru logote 4 senior most judges thake. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise the collegium system was established by the second judge's case 1993 and reinforced by the third judge's case 1998. This is also correct. Established kune korpora kora hoisile second judge's case 1993 aru reinforced ketia kora hoisile third judge's case 1998. So statement 3 is correct. Recommendation of collegium are binding on the government, not with no provision for sending them back. This is not correct. Statement 4 to correct nohoy, binding nohoy, reconsideration or karne send back korbo pare government. So this is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer. Next, exercise by Bright Star. India has sent 700 armed forces personnel to participate in exercise by Bright Star 2025, a biennial multilateral tri-service exercise hoy etu. Multilateral tri-service exercise hoy kuntu exercise Bright Star aru India kiman armed force send korise participate koribo karone 700 armed forces personnel, thik ase? And it is hosted by Egypt and the USA from August 28 to September 10, 2025. Thik ase? This is one of the largest military exercise in the region, featuring live firing, command post drills, and joint interoperability training and global forces. So exercise bur bahut important hoy. A military exercise jonkhini hoi thake ekhini bahut important hoy. Exam to ami dekho bare bare ahi thake. So ekhini ekdom bhalke monor rakhiba kun gita kun kar logot hoy, ki hoy, keneke hoy, details kini monor rakhiba, thik ase? Okay, exercise Bright Star 2025, in which India has sent 700 troops, is hosted by Egypt and USA. Hosted by Egypt and USA, that is option B. Commonwealth 2030. So the Union Cabinet has approved India's bid submission to host Commonwealth 2030. So Union Cabinet to approve korise India's submission to host Commonwealth Games 2030. If successful, jodi successful hoy tetia game to kot host kora hobo. The games will be hosted in games kin kot host kora hobo Ahmedabad, Guwahati, Gujarat. Very sorry, Gujarat. Ahmedabad, Gujarat, with the Narendra Modi Stadium as a key venue. Thik ase? The cabinet also approved signing the host collaboration agreement and providing necessary guarantees. A grant in aid will be sanctioned to the Gujarat government upon success. Hosting CWZ 2030 is expected to boost tourism, general jobs, and promote sports participation. Yeah, related at MCQ sum. With reference to India's bid for the Commonwealth Games 2030, consider the following statement. So India junto bid korise hetu karone hetu uporat eta Saita statement is a kongita correct kobolage. The Union Cabinet has approved India's bid to host games with Ahmedabad proposed as the host city. This is correct. to কি কৈছে the Narendra Modi Stadium which hosted the ICC India Cricket World Cup final is proposed as a key venue. Narendra Modi Stadium to key venue hoy, to correct hoy. 3 to কি কৈছে a grant in aid will be sanctioned to Gujarat government only if India's bid is successful. This is also correct. 4 to কি কৈছে the Commonwealth Games are held annually and India last hosted them in 2014. This is not correct. Annually host kora nohoy, it is host once every 4 years, ঠিক আছে, not annually. India hosted in 2010 Delhi, not 2014. Okay, 2010 ত host কৰা হৈছিল আৰু এটো annually নহয়, every 4 years ত হয়. So statement 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer, that is option A. So this is incorrect. Next, United Nations General Assembly has launched 2 global initiatives to strengthen international cooperation and government in artificial intelligence. So, United Nations General Assembly ki launch korise, 2 global initiative launch korise, international cooperation and governance strengthen koribo karone in artificial intelligence. United Nations Independent International Scientific Panel on AI ki hoy egita? United Nations Independent International Scientific Panel on AI. Next, Global Dialogue on AI Governance. ঠিক আছে, both initiative aim to এই দুইটা initiative or main aim কি হয়, to support the global digital compact which is a part of Pact for the Future adopted in September 2024. The global dialogue will act as an inclusive UN platform for countries and stakeholders to debate critical AI related issues like ethics, safety and accountability. So here related data MCQ. So with reference to recent initiative of the United Nations on Artificial Intelligence, consider the following statement. So kunita correct time is sabo lage that so UNGA has launched an independent international scientific panel on AI to provide expert guidance. So this is correct. Second to কি কৈছে? Second to কি কৈছে? A global dialogue on AI governments has been sent up as a UN platform for inclusive detail among countries and stakeholders. This is also correct. 3 to কি কৈছে? The initiative are linked to Global Digital Compact under the Pact for the Future 2024. Link to কোনটো আসলে Global Digital Compact under the Pact of the Future 2024. This is also correct. 4 to কি কৈছে? The initiative are legally binding to all UN states. This is not correct. These are initiative, not legally binding treaties. ঠিক আছে, এখিনি initiative হয়, binding একদম পুরা legally bind করে রাখা treaties নহয়. So statement 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer, option A. Here is your main question. Practice koriba hodai. That's all for today. Thank you. Screenshot loi loba.